सो दोस्तों आज हम लोग जाएंगे ऑन्टोरिप पब्लिशर्स के बुक आउटलेट पर और वहाँ जाके देखेंगे कि व्हाट ऑल दिस पब्लिकेशन हैज़ टू ऑफर। इट्स लोकेटेड एट 19/2 राधानाथ मौलिक लेन, कोलकाता। सो लेट्स गेट देयर एसएप। हेलो दोनों महोदय।
हाँ।
सो गाइस अभी हमारे साथ है तुनु मोइला, द फाउंडर ऑफ ऑन्टोरिप कॉमिक्स। तो अभी आपको मैं दिखाया इनका जो आउटलेट है, जो स्टॉल है, यहाँ पर ढेर सारे नॉवेल्स, स्टोरी बुक्स, ये सब तो है, बट नियो कॉमिक्स के व्यूअर्स जो आप लोग हैं, आपको कॉमिक्स से मतलब है। और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑन्टोरिप कॉमिक्स ऑलरेडी ढेर सारा कॉमिक्स पब्लिश कर चुके हैं, बी इट इन बंगाली एंड इंग्लिश एज वेल। So Tanu, would you like to give us a little go through about all the comics that has been published, कौन सा newly published है और क्या आने वाला है?
Yeah, surely. First, I would like to welcome you. I mean, you have taken this pain to come to our store, and visiting our store for the first time. So that's why I'm very much thankful to you. So these are the comics that you can see here on my table and also in the backdrop that we have published. Ontrip Comics is there in the market for the last around 4 years.
Okay.
So we have been successfully publishing Bengali comics, and now we have also published 3 Mrityubhumi in English as well for the international market. For Bengali market, we have established ourselves, and you can see that we have published our comic special. These are the comics that actually we started our journey with these 3. And then we came to Mrityubhumi, a very popular one in Bengali and English as well. So then we came to Devi.
Devi Chaudhary.
Yeah, Devi Chaudhary.
Chaudhary.
Yeah. So it is actually a collaboration between us and Yali. So we have bought the Bengali translation right from Yali, and then we published it. This one. This is the first part of Devi Chaudhary, and then we are going to bring the other parts as well.
So this is Matsanyaya and
Yeah,
there
yeah.
is Dwairat.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the first part. The international comics readers who actually read comics in English and Hindi, they are very much acquainted with this one.
Yeah.
So we have bought the Bengali translation right, and we have published this book in Bengali for the Bengali readers.
And how's the response? Is it good?
Yeah, Mrityubhumi and Devi has been accepted really good in Bengal, and you can see that we are successful in publishing and bringing so many of them in such a short period of time, just because the Bengal market has always been in a place where they want to read comics, good comics, but there is also, I would say that there is also a vacant place. There is also a place where they were not getting good quality comics in Bengali. So here comes Ontori. We have actually read the mind of Bengali readers, comics lovers, and then we have successfully brought this product to Bengali, and then we have brought this one. This is actually the biggest of the lot, the Chacha Chaudhary one.
Relatively new release. Huh?
Yeah. We have published this Chacha Chaudhary Omnibus 1, that is Bengali Samagra 1. Published this on 5th of June.
Okay.
And we were successful to sell 1000 copies in 1 week. So just imagine the craze.
That's a big number, guys, because it's just West Bengal we are talking about.
Yeah.
और कभी-कभी इंडियन पब्लिशर्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया में भी सर्कुलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं 1000 कॉपीज, वो भी रिलीज के एक हफ्ते के अंदर. So that's a huge milestone. Your distribution network must be.
Yeah.
pretty
Actually,
on
we
point.
are a publisher, and we are also in magazine publishing. We have been here in Bengali publication and magazines market for the last 7 years. So there was a poster where you can see our distribution network throughout West Bengal.
So you cover all the districts.
Yeah, we cover all the districts, and we have around 130 or more than 130 stores all over West Bengal where we actually distribute our comics. Actually, what I'm talking about is the lack of good quality product and as well the proper distribution. you need to have a really good distribution network, supply chain,
And good content.
good content
Push
at
it.
this. So when you combine all these things, you can see results. There is no rocket science behind it.
Yeah, good product with good sales figures.
This is what we are trying. We have achieved very good sales. Actually, we have seen very good response from Bengali comics lovers and readers. So we are very much hopeful that in coming years, in coming 2-3 years or around 5 years, we can see the Bengal market blooming, and probably will take over other states, because the amount of comic books that we are selling here, we are actually capable of selling here, is when I talk about the numbers, the pure numbers, the sales figures, it's quite, I would say, a very good number.
Yeah, the numbers definitely are pretty impressive.
Yeah.
No second opinion about that. और क्या क्या रिलीज हुआ है? ये चाचा चौधरी समग्र, दिस इज न्यू रिलीज. What else has been released recently?
This is a new one.
Bengali version of 44
Yeah,
Acts of
44
Violence.
acts of violence. The artwork has been done by Rajesh Nabilakun, and the story is written by Krishna Pediredda. So we have seen these comics online. They were actually made a post for crowdfunding.
Kickstarter.
Yeah, it was a Kickstarter crowdfunding project, and then we picked up the story from that thing. I contacted Rajesh and then contacted with Krishna, and then we bought the right in Bengali, and then we have just published this one. This came day before yesterday.
So this is very fresh
Very
off
fresh.
the press.
Yeah, this is very fresh off the press, and here you can see the Vengeance. Caravan Vengeance. In Bengali it's Pratishod. There's also a collaboration between us and Yali. So we have published both these comics, both the 44 Acts of Violence and Caravan, and it came just a day before yesterday.
Right. So what else is coming next? इसके बाद क्या है?
Well, Mrityubhumi is in line, and
issue 4.
Yeah, the fourth issue will come within 10-14 days. So the work has been done, and all the works are completed, and now the press work is due. It will come within 10-14 days.
So,
and there is also Sandoda. Sandoda is in line. Sandoda is going to come. It's a very fresh thing because it's a comedy with a detective who is trying to,
Yeah, we read Sandoda some 10-15 years
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Level 10 के अंदर
Yeah,
इसको initially publish किया गया था, but this is a new story, right? Or the same?
No. That old story. Actually, we are going to publish this in Bengali. You have read this in English probably.
Yes.
And also, not many knows about Sandoda.
Yeah.
Not in Bengali market, not as well.
It's
Not
relatively underrated, but from what I have read, and I have also seen a short film Sandoda
Yeah.
बनाया गया था YouTube पर.
Yeah.
It was pretty hilarious. So let's.
And it's a very a fresh air, because what we have been publishing.
It's very dark and mature,
Yeah.
and then we are delving into comedy.
Yeah.
It's still mature from what I remember,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's comedy after all.
Right.
It's mainly focusing on the humor element of
Right.
storytelling. So Sandoda आ रहा है, मृत्युभूमि 4 आ रहा है, और कुछ?
Yeah, Mrityubhumi आ रहा है, Sandoda आ रहा है. Then this Caravan. This is the first part of the Vengeance story.
Series.
Then we are going to bring the second part, third part of the same story, because when you read in English, it was probably a single book. I don't remember.
Caravan,
we have-
Pratishod, Vengeance. It was just one thick trip.
We have split the Vengeance story in 3 books. So in one time we are not in a we don't want to take a lot of money out of reader's pocket.
At a time.
Yeah, at a time. So we are trying to split the whole story in 3 parts. That way it would be much less when it comes to burden on your pocket. And then Chacha Chaudhary is going to come. Chacha Chaudhary is the only omnibus. The Raka parts are going to come. All those 16 stories, Chacha Chaudhary and Raka, they are going to come in Bengali in 2 omnibus. And then the Samagra 2, Samagra 3, they will keep on coming.
So a lot of Chacha Chaudhary Samagras are in a pipeline.
Yeah, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि क्या है कि चाचा चौधरी there are more than 400 books.
And each Samagra contains about how many issues?
This Samagra only contains this contains around 10 books. So you can imagine there are
more
more
than
than
40
400 books.
more than 40 samagras
Yeah,
can be made.
can be made. Devi is also, I mean, this is the first part of Devi.
Yeah.
Devi will come. The
Yeah.
second part of, and the third part will come very soon. We are working on it. So Devi will come, Caravan will come, Mrityunjay will come, and then Chacha Chaudhary is there, Sandra is there. Look, we are trying to put every effort. We are trying to, turn everything and trying to visit every corner to bring the best content for the Bengali readers. Because we know that there are contents, there are good comics available in India, in English, in Hindi, in regional languages as well. Our effort is to bring all those good contents under one roof for the Bengali readers.
So इस साल के अंदर कुछ 4-5 और कॉमिक्स तो आ ही जाएगा.
उससे ज़्यादा ही होगा.
बढ़िया बढ़िया. अभी आधा साल ही खत्म हुआ है और अगले 6 महीने में 4-5 से ज़्यादा कॉमिक्स आने वाला है फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ ऑन्थोरिप कॉमिक्स. They are pushing out good quality content in pretty good quantity and distributing it pretty efficiently. So they're in the right track, and again I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
So I'll wrap up this video here. कुछ close-ups दिखा देते हैं and then you can like it, share it with your friends. अभी आपको स्क्रीन पर यहाँ का एड्रेस दिख रहा होगा. So if you want to visit, if you are at Kolkata, you can definitely check out their outlet. And I highly suggest you do because यहाँ पर सिर्फ कॉमिक्स के अलावा भी ढेर सारा बहुत कुछ है. If you are into literature, this is a heavenly place for you to be in. I will wrap up this video here. अभी आपको मैं कुछ close-up shots दिखाऊंगा, showing all these comics, so that you can see the details, the printing, and what Onthorip Comics has been publishing in terms of comic books so far.
और ऑन्टोरी पब्लिशर्स के आउटलेट से निकलकर अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कोलकाता कॉमिक्स के आउटलेट की तरफ। सो आई विल बी फीचरिंग देम इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। शहर में अभी भी बारिश हुआ है और मौसम और भी सुहाना हो चुका है। एंड वीडियो अगर पसंद आया है तो कीजिए इसे लाइक, शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन गाइज, टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय।